咁呢題都好簡單嘅，佢話 total production value 咧2024係高過2014嘅 ，OK。所以同 percent 嘅話咧，就應該係2024大啲啦，個實數嘅話。咁咧佢就話 A 佢就話 proportion of worker engaged in primary production decrease。OK，production value 同 worker 其實冇一個正比嘅，係啦，因為你生產得多，可能係因為你 productivity 高咗，所以你生產嘅價值多咗啊嘛，而唔係因為啲 worker 多咗或者少咗啊嘛，所以唔一定係關事嘅。Labour productivity of primary production decrease， 咁其實都唔知嘅，雖然佢個 percentage 跌咗，但係佢個實數可能增加咗噶嘛。同埋 production value 同 labour productivity 都唔完全係一樣嘅喎，因為可能係多咗人去嗰度做，或者少咗人去嗰度做啊嘛，所以令到個 production value 高咗或者低咗啦，而唔係因為個 productivity， 所以都唔可以確認嘅。Total production value of secondary unchanged， 佢個 percentage 冇變，但係呢度講咗個實數其實係大過㗎嘛2024，所以就唔啱啦。C 都 D 佢就話啦 must have increased， 咁係啦，因為你個 percentage 大咗，而你個實數亦都係大咗，咁大咗嘅數乘大咗嘅 percentage 咪大咗咯，係啦，所以答案就係 D 啊。